So hi everyone, today I'm going to bring you with me in this journey about building my new keyboard. And we have all the parts we need. So I got these O-rings that go under the keycaps. These are the switches that I'm going to use. These are the keycaps itself. These are double shot ABS keycaps. I choose these because they were really minimal and I really like them. And this is the board itself. It came in pretty beaten up, but it's just a box. So you add the board. This is our keyboard, and it looks pretty good. Some instructions, and then we have this braided cable that I'm not gonna use, but it's there if you need it, and a switch and keycap holder. So that's pretty much what's in the box. This keyboard comes with pre-installed foams, so all you should have to do is just put in your switches and the keycaps. Let's just take these out. So these are really silent. And they should just go in something like that. Now we need to do this about 66 more times. And we already fucked up one. Nice. Let me just see if I can straighten this out. I mean, I could check it. So it works, which is nice. So this is a super silent build because when I'm playing or typing at night, I don't want to annoy everybody else in the house. So some switches, especially if you buy cheap ones, like not really cheap switches but from cheap sources, they might come with some pins bended, and you can pretty much bend them back to the right spot almost every time. So the cost of this build is pretty low, I'd say. Like this keyboard was about 33 euros, which is I think really cheap for a board like this. Then I paid 22 for these switches and about 24 for the keycaps. So this is our build complete. We've got some spare switches, and I'd suggest if they are like extremely bent, don't use them. They will just risk to snap off and ruin your board. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our keycaps on. So we're just gonna put these rings on each keycap. Yeah, let's just keep copy pasting this. Comparison between my previous keyboard and this one. Yeah, that's quite a difference. So I will just finish to populate this one. So let me show you real quick what this little software does. It's just you press each key and it shows which one get pressed, and you do this for every key. If they don't work, simply you did not put the switch right or something like that, and you want to check that. So let's just try to connect it just like that. Can't really see the RGB because these are not RGB keycaps, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good. So I don't know how to change the RGB. So let's check. Everything is Chinese. Yeah. So to control the RGB, you will have to use this one, change mode. So basically, you have all these sorts of modes. If we go to this mode right here, we can change the color with this one. So just FN right arrow, and this will change the color, as you can see. So now I'm going to do a quick typing test just to show you what it sounds like. So in conclusion, I think you should definitely buy one if you can find it at this price point, which is, I paid 30 euros, and I will link it down below. If you can still find it at that price, I highly suggest buying one, even because you can put pretty much any switch you'd like, and also any keycap you like, and make it really yours. And it's just a great quality build, and it does not miss any feature. Like there's 2.4 gigahertz and Bluetooth, and you can use it wired. There's RGB, there's everything really you need. So thanks for checking in today, and if you made it this far, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel so you don't lose any further videos like this one. See ya.